What's up, my people? What's up? So, it is brunch time, and today we're going básico, okay? We're going basic. Ham and cheese. You can't mess that up. And if you do, so I'm gonna use honey wheat. Let's grab 2 slices. Let me not touch the rest of the bread. There we go. 2. Boom. Let's start off with the condiments. Add a little bit of my goodness, mustard. Oh, look at that, professional. Then we're gonna add mayonesa, mayo. I love mayo, so I'm gonna add another one. Yes, don't judge me, okay? Add garlic, okay? Just add a little bit, okay? Doesn't hurt. Both sides, yes, both sides. Boom. Woo! Yes. Add that Havarti. How it looks. Boom. Okay, so 6 slices. Listen, 6 slices is 90 calories. I'll do 4. Please make it look nice, you know, even if it's for yourself, make it nice, you know, treat yourself. See, do this, fold it, put it right there, okay? Don't just dump in there. Please. Okay, we need one more. One more. You know, these are very thin too. Look at that, professional. And then we're gonna add another ingredient later on, so let me toast this up. Add some cooking spray. I know that was a lot, but it's okay. And then boom. And then on top, it is toasted. Now you're probably like, are we done? This is it? You know, if you're making a ham and cheese, you need to add chips. It just makes it extra better. It smells so good. Okay, no, negativo, bad. Thank you. Put that in there, make it beautiful. Woo. Now we're done. Now we're done. Let me put it like this. Ooh, yes. Let's do it this way. Let's do it original way. Ooh. Ooh, Lord. Look at that. I know this is gonna be fire. Thank you so much for watching this video. Anyway, I don't know why I did that. Anyway, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe for the next sandwich video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. Have a good day.